Eat some more? Eat some more? Can you eat some more? Caleb, can you eat some more? Can you eat some more? Put it in your mouth. Hurry, hurry. Come on. Are you dancing a little? Okay, eat some more. Yay! Here he goes. Yay! Yay! Okay. Yay! Can you say? Oh, here he goes. Yay! Here goes Caleb. Here he goes. Can you put it in your mouth? Can you eat it? Can you eat it? Yay! Can you say, patty cake, baker's man. Roll 'em up, pitch him in the pan. Can you show mommy how you do that? Patty cake, baker's man. Roll 'em up, pitch him in the pan. Not right now? You want to dance a little? Dancing. Dancing. Can you dance, Jack? Dancing. Can you show me your tongue? You want some banana now that you ate all your turkey? Want some banana?